Changing your bank account in Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the account settings. This can be found by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then selecting Account Info. Next, scroll down to the Funding Sources section and select Bank Accounts. Here, you will see a list of all the bank accounts currently linked to your Robinhood account. To add a new bank account, select Add Account and follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. You will need to provide the account and routing numbers, as well as verify your account ownership. If you want to remove an existing bank account, select the account you want to remove and then select Delete Account. Keep in mind that you cannot delete a bank account that is currently being used for a pending transfer or has a pending deposit. Once you have added or removed a bank account, you can set it as the default funding source for your Robinhood account. To do this, select the account you want to use and then select Set as Default. This will ensure that all future deposits and withdrawals are made from the selected account. It is also important to note that you can have multiple bank accounts linked to your Robinhood account, but you can only have one default funding source at a time. Additionally, if you are using a bank account that is not in your name, you may be required to provide additional documentation to verify the account ownership. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account in Robinhood and manage your funding sources with ease. It is always a good idea to review your account settings regularly to ensure that your information is up to date and accurate.